my life has changed a ton. I'm moving. I did house hacking. This one is sort of good and bad. I've already lost 20 pounds in 2 months. I did cut my hair last year to about here. I am now a BMW girl. Hey honeybees, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, my name is Sierra and I am a full-time mortgage loan officer and YouTuber. I do videos on finance and lifestyle, and I've helped thousands of people buy homes and build wealth. So I take everything I know and I share it with you in hopes you'll build wealth also. Okay, so today's video is going to be a little bit different than a lot of the videos I've been posting lately. In this video, I wanted to give you guys something different. I'm gonna do a quick life update, just talking about where I've been, what's been going on with me, some exciting things that have happened. But I also do want to throw in a little bit of mortgage updates as well. I do cover another state now, so I want to go over that. And I will add chapters, so if you're not into the life update lifestyle content, you can watch more of the mortgage and finance content. Let's go. Okay, so first things first, I am renting out my house. If you've been following my channel, you know I built a new house in 2021. So it'll be 2 years old coming this August. And as you also may know, I did recently get married. I got married last August. And so my life has changed a ton. I'm moving and so many things are changing. Anyways, I am now putting my house up for rent. The whole reason that I bought this house was actually so that it could be an investment property. Every way I designed it, everything I've put into it has all been for the purpose of making this a rental property. So now's the time, and now I'm doing it. Now, one thing y'all have asked for time and time again is for a house tour. I wanted to do a house tour, but for privacy reasons and security, I just decided not to. But now that I am renting the place out, I will be posting a house tour. It will be given by my realtor, who is helping to facilitate me rent this property out, and it will have all his contact information so that if you are local to where I'm renting and you are interested, that you can hit him up. But for those of you who just want to be nosy and see the house, this will be a treat for you as well. So that will be going up soon. Y'all, I am so excited to be taking the next step in being a landlord and renting out property. This is my first one. I'm super excited. I did house hacking, which I have talked about in another video, which is how you can become a investor or rental property owner with little to no money, or if you're a first-time home buyer. It's way easier than a lot of people think. So if you are interested in taking that next step, definitely check out that video. I will link it below. Okay. Next update. So this one is sort of good and bad. I did go through some health challenges recently. I was feeling really yuck, fatigued all the time. I had a ton of inflammation. I was just constantly gaining weight and I could not figure out what was going on. I've always been an extremely healthy person. I work out, I eat right. So I could not figure out what was going on. So I had a feeling something was very wrong. And it turns out I was right. Unfortunately, I did a bunch of labs and my doctor found out that I have like a metabolic disorder, which, you know, was somewhat of a relief because I knew something was wrong, and no matter what I did, I was not able to get to a point where I was feeling good. So I did see the doctor and I did get put on medication, and I'm already feeling so much better. I've already lost 20 pounds in 2 months. Obviously, it's still a process, but I have so much more energy. I feel better, I look better, I'm fitting into clothes better, and I'm super, super excited to see where this treatment is gonna go. This isn't something I usually talk about on this channel. I actually have a weight loss and wellness channel that I really go into depth on this stuff, but I did want to share this with you guys because it's kind of a big life change for me, and I will probably go into more detail on it on my other channel. If that is something you guys are interested in, let me know. If you want to know more about what I'm doing, what I'm eating, what I'm taking, things like that, then I would be happy to do that. Now, one thing I did notice once my doctor put me on medication, it has caused some digestive issues, and that is just a side effect of everything I'm dealing with. And so I've been incorporating, you know, a lot of healthy foods, drinking a ton of water. I'm now a Stanley girl. But yeah, just drinking a ton of water, just really treating my body well. Something I have incorporated in order to combat this as well, and it's been helping with my weight loss, is fiber and greens. That has been key for me. One of the things that I've been using is the Bellway Super Fiber Plus Greens Organic Psyllium Husk Prebiotic Fiber Supplement. And this is really good with helping to regulate digestion. It's formulated with a powerful blend of organic kale, broccoli, spinach, and organic psyllium husk. These ingredients help the good bacteria in your gut, and it helps fill in gaps to help fuel your body. All I do is simply put this in 8 ounces of water. I just scoop it out, put it in there, mix it up, and drink it. And it's really, really easy. And each scoop contains 1 full serving of veggies and 5 grams of fiber. It gives you benefits like smooth moves, a balanced gut, immunity, and recovery support, but it also gives you the added benefits of greens. Also, I think it's helped with weight loss because the super fiber in Bellway helps you to feel fuller for longer after you eat. And in turn, this can help you cut cravings and eat less. And of course, that means eating less means eating less calories. And if you're always on the go, then you may want to try out their fiber capsules. I've also been using these. Just like the powder, it helps take care of your gut. It can help you lose or maintain weight, reduces bloating, and it has a ton of other benefits. Now, one thing I also love about these is these are organic, gluten-free, vegan, kosher, gelatin-free, and sugar-free. Because of what I'm dealing with, I also really appreciate that these can promote healthy blood glucose levels, also helps in lowering cholesterol, reduces symptoms of digestive disorders. And the reason that I promote this is because it is much cleaner and more affordable than anything I found on the market. They're also super easy to swallow, and since they're in capsules, they're really easy to take with you on the go, or when you're traveling. With these, you don't need a mixer or a blender bottle, so it's super easy. These cost $40, but with my discount, you can actually get them for $30. You'll just click the link below and use the coupon code SIERRAE25 to get 25% off. And what's great is they have really amazing bundle deals on their website. You can also get them at Target, Sprouts, or Walmart. They're super accessible, affordable, and they work really, really well. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. Also, I appreciate Bellway because they have sponsored this video. Thank you, Bellway, so much for sponsoring this video. Definitely don't forget to check them out. Click the link below and use my coupon code for a 25% off discount. So yeah, that's my updates for what's going on with like my health and weight loss. I thought it would be cool to share it with you guys on this channel so that if it does interest you, or if you're kind of new to my channel and you didn't even know that I had a weight loss wellness channel, you can go check it out. I probably will be doing some updates on there as I continue to heal my body and lose weight and just get healthier. One of my favorite updates, I got a new truck. My hubby surprised me with one as an early Christmas gift, and he got me a BMW X5 something. Look, I don't know about cars, but it's cute and I love it and it's huge. If you follow me on Instagram, this is really old news, but I haven't shared it with you guys on here, so I thought I would share it with you guys. I am now a BMW girl. I absolutely love it though. I've already started adding little accessories and making some things pink. Y'all know how I gotta do. If you guys want like a car tour, then let me know. I am just so in love with my new truck. Gotta get my water in. Oh, I did cut my hair last year to about here. I probably shouldn't have worn a black shirt if I wanted to show you guys. But as you can see, my hair has gotten so healthy and thick and it's growing and I'm so happy. If you guys want more of an update of like what my hair routine is and what I've been doing, definitely let me know. But I'll just say I'm so happy with the progress and like progress my hair has made. Excited to keep growing it out. And of course I still am gonna play around with clip-ins and extensions every now and then, but nothing like being able to rock your real hair, right? I'm really excited about that. So yeah, if you guys do want some more deets or updates on what I've been doing to grow out my hair and just make it really healthy then let me know. Okay, and for my last more personal update, I wanted to share with you guys, I will be attending Coachella this year. I will be at the first weekend. I'm so freaking excited. I've never been to Coachella before. So if any of you guys are going, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And for sure, if any of you guys see me out at Coachella, please come up and say hi. I would love to meet you. Okay, quickly, I wanted to go over some mortgage updates. The first being really exciting. This is a new change as of maybe like a month or two ago. The FHA has lowered their mortgage insurance for anyone getting an FHA loan. So essentially now it's cheaper to get a FHA loan. What mortgage insurance is, when you put less than 20% down on your house, it just ensures that the lender is taking on less risk. It's more so insurance for the lender, but it's something everyone who gets an FHA loan has to pay in their monthly mortgage as well as their closing costs. So what they did was they reduced the rate. The rate for mortgage insurance, the monthly mortgage insurance, was 0.85% of whatever the sales price is that's added into your monthly mortgage. Now they lowered it to 0.55%, which may not seem like a big deal, but trust me, it's a huge deal. It's making it so much easier for people to buy now because it keeps your DTI lower and your monthly payment lower. So if you have been holding back on getting a home loan because you're kind of worried about the prices or maybe the rates, the FHA is looking out for y'all and is making things easier so you can still buy. And also in mortgage updates, I am now covering the state of Tennessee. Why did that make me think of like, I'm no longer with Metro, I'm now with AT&T. So now I'm covering Tennessee. So all my Tennessee followers, if you are looking to buy or get pre-qualified, then hit your girl up. I am currently accepting new clients in Tennessee as well as the other states I cover, which I always put in the description box. If you are interested in getting pre-qualified, then make sure to send an email to me, sierra@reliantapproval.com. Put pre-qual in the subject line, and I can give you, most times I can do a same-day pre-qualification, no credit check, nothing, just so that we can see where you stand and you can make the decision if you're ready to apply. And if you are ready to apply, I'll be able to give you a preview of about how much you'll be qualified for. So definitely make sure to email me if you are interested in Tennessee or any of the other states that I cover. I was actually pretty excited to be able to do Tennessee now because I went to college in Tennessee and I also lived there after college in Nashville, to be particular. I am a Commodore, go Doors. I went to Vanderbilt. Then I lived in Nashville for a couple years after graduating. So Tennessee always holds a special place in my heart. I am so happy and thrilled to be helping any of my Tennessee followers or viewers. Definitely reach out to me. Do not be scared. I cannot wait to help you. Now, I do realize I haven't been doing as much lifestyle content, so I do want to start doing that more. Please, in the comment section below, leave what videos you want me to do. I know a lot of people have been asking me to bring back vlogs. Do you want vlogs? Do you want daily, weekly? Do you want them uploaded here? Do you want them specifically on my vlog channel? Let me know. Also, please put all your questions down below, whether they're mortgage, personal, anything. I haven't done like an updated Q&A in a while. So depending on how many questions I get, I may do like a personal Q&A video and a separate mortgage Q&A video, or I may split them up and do them together in one, kind of how I did this video. Please put all your questions down below and your video requests so that I can just get some more really cool lifestyle, different content up for you guys. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys learned a little bit more about me. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It helps me know that I should make these every now and then just to keep you guys in the loop. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be a part of the Honeybee fam. Hit the bell button so you can be notified of when I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you to the bank and back, and I'll see you in my next video.